What's up, guys? I am Genesis and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my beautiful sister, Champain. And she is out here visiting all the way from Las Vegas. Yes, we are in Pensacola. And right now there is a hurricane going on outside. It's Hurricane Sally. But nevertheless, we are about to do Megan the Stallion eyeshadow tutorial. She posted it onto Instagram, and Nene, she did it before, and we're gonna do it together today. So currently we are baking, like we said earlier, we are faux baking, okay?
Still baking.
Right, and we're just gonna go ahead and follow along to Megan the Stallion's tutorial, and I will put it in the description box below, so y'all check that out, and then also my sister's socials information. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Let's go.
Typical, well, like a lot of y'all's favorite.
It's okay.
YouTube.
We learn together.
Doing their stuff, so just bear with me, okay? And I'm gonna teach y'all some tricks y'all don't even think of. I never really know what I'm about to come do to my face, but we just kind of go as we go.
Go as we
Brown
go.
first. You gotta have a little brown.
So brown first.
In the crease and a little bit above the crease. And this makeup right here, easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
I did this one. I did hustle.
Ooh, hustle.
All right, let's see where we're going with that. And you just kind of blend, blend, baby. Usually have my internet clean in the background, but y'all are making me so nervous. I feel like you have to pay attention. Okay, so.
Ooh, I feel like I did too much.
Oh my gosh.
I have a black eye. Well, I look like I got a black eye.
Right.
Oh.
That's because you want to get it as brown as possible. You did the top, so guess what you're going to do to the eye?
I didn't yet. We're gonna pause because I'm a little slow.
What the hell?
I'm a little slow, man. She a pro.
She said we blend and blend. It's gonna like.
So I'm blending it and I look like I got a black eye, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. You want to do eyes like I got my hands.
Okay, I'll do it.
All right, you know, just do it
From the wings.
Yeah.
Yes, we are doing with the regular Scotch tape. A little darker. We added wings, y'all.
It's clear tape.
This is already looking cute.
It's already looking cute. Let's go, Megan.
For real.
Let's go, Megan.
Go ahead, press play.
And you know what the cool part about the situation is? We don't even need the same exact colors as her.
We don't. And we won't.
And we won't.
Okay.
And fine.
Okay, so now she's doing
The same brown underneath the
same
eyes.
brown underneath the eye.
Well, I mixed my hustle. Sorry, so it's like a little bit of toasting on top of that.
Hey, you know what? We're going to do a little blue.
Yeah.
What you doing in here?
Doing what?
She said a little blue.
This one.
She gonna put a little blue on hers, but guess what? We got this tape on her eye.
I know.
So we didn't do that part yet. Let's just skip that part a little bit.
I want like a lighter color now.
Cause her blue?
Yes.
Or gold, half baked.
I'm gonna do half baked.
I'm just saying.
Okay, so Nini's gonna use Sin, and I'm gonna use half baked for my main color.
See how this comes together? I always put like a little
Mine ain't working like yours.
white
Mine just look like a bunch of
Girl, mine just look
smudges.
like a color. I don't know. Ooh,
Just
you
use
got
what
light
makes
just
you
like
happy.
falling off the sky.
Do what you have to do to get the best results. Okay, so
Do what you have to do to get the best
we're not
results.
done with play. We're not done with play. We're going with the brush, and I know this one's called a blending brush. Because that's what you gotta do. Blend, baby.
It's the only
What you
blendable
want to do next,
brush. I think it's a foundation brush,
go
but
back in with a dark color.
Okay.
So I went in with the brown.
Into
The
this
brown is my
creep.
favorite.
I'm going in with creep.
Take your olive deep.
Oh shoot, I should use the pointy
On
side.
top, on the back. The more brown
I want to do that.
put on my eyes, the bigger they seem like they get. I want these boys to know I see everything.
I see everything.
You know, your eyes are big.
She is stupid.
These boys see it.
I see
There's no way
everything.
you get nothing past me eyes.
For real, you ain't finna get nothing past these eyes. I'm going in with gunmetal as my dark color. Hers look like the
It's just
rainbow.
I just feel like it's gonna start forming. Look at mine. I just feel like it's gonna start forming once we start getting towards the end. When we start
Doing it.
Yeah.
Cause right now it just look like a blend of every color.
Yeah, I feel like
And
mine is just like a big
blob.
yeah, and then look at the inside, like missing pieces. Okay, we just gotta keep watching her. Stallion, tell us what we have to do.
So, let's get into it. Now,
What's up?
all you men disgust me. It's the look that you have to give them the way they want us to try to mess it up. Because men mess everything up.
They do. Why do I keep leaving my hand up like this? All in the camera, just like it ain't gotta be seen. It ain't gotta be seen. You just keep rising up. You just want somebody to see your
For
hair.
real. I left a hot freaking mess on my face. I've never liked this. Or this video like She teaching me how to do it and it's not going out. It's not working out well.
Bro. She said this video might not make the cut.
Real life, it might not. We're gonna look back at it and be like, yeah, memories.
Remember that one time we was about to post it.
I was about to put
Man, that's funny.
until I saw the end result. Oh my god, that is too funny. Got us some snacks. Lindor chocolate, the caramel as a snack. These things are so bomb.
It's good.
Oh, there's a spider out the window. Oh, that's inside. Oh,
Is it live?
baby?
All these flavors sound familiar.
I'm going in with toasted, which is like a purplish pink kind of.
So make sure you like really get enough of the color on the brush. Don't be scared to dig in there.
Okay, that's good to know. That was like
You know, you gotta put the color on, bro.
yeah.
I'm the leads.
I would walk in the club and the boys be like, oh my god, her eyes is pop locking and dropping it.
Pop locking and dropping.
Done your cut crease.
this living room and play Beat Saber and be pop locking and
Pop
dropping.
locking and dropping on Beat Saber.
Shiniest. Shiniest bitch at the party at all times.
The shiniest penny.
Lip
The
shine.
shiniest dime at the party at all
On
times.
my mother.
Oh, my
On
mother.
my mother, firstborn kid.
Period.
An angle brush.
Of all of God's children.
Go back
Period.
in with the color.
How do I
Go
look?
back in with the dark blue.
Oh my god!
Ooh, you going somewhere for real. Wait till you put your lashes on.
Okay, look, she doing something else.
Wait, Megan.
She filling in with dark again. Oh my gosh.
Go back in with the dark blue that we were using.
She's doing dark blue or dark. So basically, she's doing a dark around this concealer part. So I'm about to use gunmetal, or should I use creep? I think I'm gonna use creep. I'm gonna use creep.
Other girl came to the
Yes.
party.
I'm going in with a little bit of hustle.
Just go into the bottom.
I'm gonna pause because she's gonna
She's gonna let speed it
a
on
little
all of us.
faster than Voila, magic. Voila, magic. Voila. Going in with this magic. Voila, magic. Liquid eyeliner.
Liquid eyeliner.
Liquid eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Mike, you have liquid eyeliner. I mean, I just feel like,
No.
it looks good. It's there. It's not gonna be perfect.
Period. Alright, we're gonna continue the video. We just did our liquid eyeliner with wings. Hey.
Should we take our pieces off? Because she all went in her eyes.
Yeah.
Original.
Yeah, because she doing real wings.
There's a lot of pretty silvery.
So
We're
we're
gonna
gonna
take this.
Oh!
Oh
my gosh, it's beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
If you can blend, make it visual. So I'm about to use hot chocolate. Like the outer parts of my lip.
Ooh, look at mine.
Okay. Yes. Cleopatra. Girl.
The
Yes.
name of this lipstick is called Untold Stories.
Oh my God. When in doubt, go thicker. Okay. That looks so good. Let me see.
It's supposed to be untold.
Yes.
Go back in one more time with that hot chocolate.
But we're gonna hide it with the lashes though.
We're gonna put virgin in our water line, whatever it's called.
Tear ducts.
Tear
I always
ducts.
blend like a bunch of
I should know that.
lipstick together.
Okay, so we're gonna put some eyeliner on.
Oh, this just hot down like that.
She did her lips. So she did brown trimming around her lips.
Which I have not done this since like a very
Since you
long
was
time.
a troll.
Since I was a chola. I'm living in Vegas. Oh my God. Not real life chola, but y'all get it.
Look at me.
That looks so cute. I love when you line your lips.
Yours, I was about to say you don't even need it because yours already have that natural line in yours.
And yours too.
I just put this in.
I feel like I'm talking about before you put that.
I just made this.
Ooh, this is looking good.
Wow. Okay, y'all see the different colors in yours now.
Do you?
Wait, which one is that at the front?
The toasted.
You put the toasted on your concealer?
Mm-hmm. So this is the lip gloss I'm gonna use. This color, kind of like a mauve color.
She got a choker on, some chains on her wrist.
Oh my God.
Oh wait, she's doing lashes.
All right. I want to do a little, I just want to praise God for my sister right here because she done gifted me these beautiful lashes. These are so cute, all the way from Las Vegas. So I'm excited to put these on.
My lashes come from Vegas too.
Yes, these are Brown Bonitas. And they are called Stay. Ooh. Queen Cleopatra.
Now I'm making the start and just put on the lashes.
I am finna be flying away. I'm finna be flying away, y'all. Look. Wow, I am finna be flying
Girl, you
away.
look beautiful. You look freaking beautiful.
Okay. The leg.
Wow, look at me.
Ooh, I really like those lashes.
Oh my gosh. I really like yours too, and I was thinking maybe I should have put those ones on because I didn't know how like spread out they were.
Those on me.
Yeah,
Because you got another one of these.
Yeah.
Right?
Let me see. Moment of truth. Who is
Wow.
she? But those lashes are really pretty.
Thank you. I think so too.
Wow, who is she?
With my little wing liner, like I need something to do to my hair now because I need to go somewhere.
Now we both got like prom faces.
Right.
And like pajama bodies.
He is cute.
Eyeshadow popping. Yes, who's stopping.
This will be my first time.
He was big, dude. Hey there. Hey there.
Hey there, how you doing? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed doing this with my sister, doing our eye makeup and then also our hair. Like, come on now. This turned out very cute. So you guys leave us some love in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.